Tug-of-war? Play tug-of-war with Sissy. Say, give me that toy. Give me that toy, Abby. Take the toy, Jackson. Get her toy. Say, give me that toy. Give me that toy. Say, my toy, Abby. My toy. Oh, I got it. Haha. Dad got it, Abby. My toy. You gonna get her leg instead? Get that toy. Get that toy. Ha ha. That's my toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Mama's gonna get a toy. Mama's gonna get Abby's toy. Whoa! Those are her paws. No, yucky. Jackson. Yuck. Yucky. Yucky. What do you think? Hey, Jackson. What do you think? No, gross. That's Sissy's toy. Sissy says, give me my toy. All done.